50K USD man make overall.
How much that in Jamaica?
About 10 million.
So hold it. Cause me have to tough and me have to strong for my son's funeral.
Somebody get bigger money. Oh, you feel style the emperor.
People, welcome to the channel. This is Bird Beak, and today's topic we have is Niah's situation, because we haven't heard much about Niah's situation since he passed away, and we have a lot to discuss. L.A. Lewis says Niah mom knows something about it. Niah mom says CPR steals 50,000, and Niah mom also talk about Niah's baby mother. Please listen and stay tuned.
You can disave your mother and then want to talk on behalf of my son? Are you crazy? Mr. Fogo, where you really have a concept on the program after you don't contribute $1? Tell me what you say. Huh? Remember you called me and tell me that blunt yesterday, so you're not doing anything, you know. So you have the audacity to come and ask me about item and program. You see how much things me I keep down? And everything when you come on internet and no blur out. And you know how much me I keep down, and just I keep it, me just I hold it. Because me have to tough and me have to strong for my son's funeral. Because me have to go up on the podium there and me have to talk as when I want me to talk. Me I tell you that, you know. Because me I got stronger than before. Because all of them energy, me know say I put in on me. And I'm not going to break down that the day, then I'm going to be firm. Because I cry, I cry already. CPR, me have things to do. I'm going to tell you, continue your life and do what you're doing, and don't make nobody intimidate you.
Mother,
None of them.
Mother, man. Let's take it easy, mother, isn't it? I say?
All right. If a foolishness in mother, you know me, I'm going to say a foolishness, but for you to do the right thing, I'm going to defend you. You understand?
I appreciate that, mother, man. I appreciate it, mother.
Morris team up with that girl, because CPR remember when everything on them are run her, we and attack, a discriminate her and I tell her what she do for her work and what type of person. And we were the only one there for this little girl because I feel like I should be a mother for her. You understand? And me take her and me talk to her and me say, do not pay them no mind, Regina. And I saw me attack. And me frightened me, I call this girl and this girl and me pass speaker in front of everybody. Down at all harbor was ever get unalive. This girl me I talk to her and she have me pass speaker make everybody hear what me I say, which whatsoever I am saying I am not afraid to say. And then she'll tell me say a liar and she knows that she do it. And the person that right beside her when she do it I send me back everything on me I hear. And this is what she do you to CPR. When she said she want money for that Airbnb and she want swimming pool. And she have everybody listen what you say. I respond to her. Just set up people. She will do it. Because she do it to me as Xavier mother and as her child grandmother. That's what she did to me. And even though she did that to me, I still say I cannot hate her and I cannot vex with her because it's my child's, it's my granddaughter's mother. So if me hate her, I go definitely hate the child too. You understand? And I still talk to her. And I still tell her I love her and I will always be there. And I can't believe that she's doing this to me. She still do it to me. Because right now she marries them up and down. Because I want money, girl, stand on your own ground, man. Stand on your foot, you and your mother. You have a whole heap of years ahead of you with that little girl. And you think say start now? It not start now. It need a lot. You need to spend quality time with her. Groom her. Teach her the facts of life. You can't have your picnic there, so. Picnic will grow a 3-4 yard, not grow good. Believe it, and me I tell you. Anytime you educate your picnic and you have to go there so and you get different teaching and different teaching and different teaching, you are confusing her. You expose her to certain things what she nothing know, and you damage her and you don't even know that. Because it seems all fine now. But wait till later on when she start asking a few questions. Have a good day. Bye. All right.
Hello, mother.
Bird Nation, please leave your thoughts on that down in the comment section below, because that seems crazy to me if what she said is true. Now let's move on to the next clip. In this clip, you can see the Maroon Emperor L.A. Lewis saying that something is wrong with Niah's mom and he will explain why.
Because after me tell her, say, me have the money for the little girl, she turned down the money. So who can turn or get a girl to turn down money? That means that somebody get her bigger money. Somebody get her bigger money. Oh, you feel style the emperor. Remember, you know, people, I could have said me hype in people. You understand? Greetings. What more access now, Queen? Now, cool kid. Yeah, more cool kid phone number.
Listen, me not ask me no for my question. You're not inspect, you're not police, me not wearing obligation. Do not call me phone and interrogate my bumbo clad. Stop calling me phone.
No, you're in the court and you're Niah baby mother. See it, people? This is Niah baby mother, you know, she can't escape. So, why are you working with the man them who for name call for your baby father killing? We are turn over every stone to the people. We're not left no stone. Everybody's a suspect. Why are you so ignorant? People, I want to tell me what to think about this. Oh, you a care message to cool kid them who are trying to, I don't know. The world is the real world. We need African court people. Questions need to be answered. We need cool kid phone number. She have it because she call cool kid people. You understand? And they carry news from cool kid about Niah, my mother people. Oh, you forgot my girl. That's what I'm telling the phone boy, you know. Careful what kind of woman in the breed. You understand? Oh, you feel care message to cool kid for Niah mother, and then you tell the emperor face the message, but you don't need the money to take care of the little girl. Yes, the little girl. Oh, no one pressure black son for money over there that has CPR. For money we not even have. Empress. Queen. I know that we know that you're hearing us now. Why are you trying to pressure people who are trying to solve your baby father crime? Pressure. No. We need cool kid number. What does cool kid know about Niah?
This is when you say good. We tell you this already, and I'm going to tell you again. Stop bumbo clad interrogate me, pussy clad phone.
No, but why are you giving information on Niah mother to cool kid that want to... No, don't want to jump on the court people. Me never see these people. See me telling the people. So, if them believe them escape people, we need everybody phone people. Everyone on the third in the phone. Why are you so hostile? This is Niah baby mother people who carry good news. Them don't know they find out everything. She and cool kid people beat Niah baby mother secretly. So people, you hear the kind of, that's what I tell some man, you know. Somebody will feel sorry for the people. It's like a baby that was she have, you know. Because you not in a good work. You not make the money. And somebody offer you to give you money for the baby. And you say you don't want no money from me because the baby survive. And where go on people? I never know say them things what could go so. But the whole I want to do, I'll share her crush bread. Then she say, and a Bobo don't know. Oh, my girl, well, you know what, Bobo? Then people, one day I say, my car, I say, my girl, take the car from Bobo. And she knows some Bobo have the car, people. Then she call back. Bobo not have the car park up around her, ray. Oh, she know the car park up and she not go around on the lane, people. Oh, she know say, Oh, she could say, Bobo, they drive the car when she me and her talk, and me tell her, so go for the car. People, Niah look a brother. When you open eye, no, my lad. Niah mother, open the eye. Watch out over the look over your granddaughter. Watch out over the look niece, my lad. That woman is not a good woman. I don't know her from nowhere. And people, if you feel like me talk badful things, when you can put in a comment. But if you're a girl who a link with Lena them, remember enough people she link with Lena them and she can news a cool kid them. Anyway, people, we are going to the police station and so we go get some information, people, and go drop off and look a piece of food. I want to, you know. So, the people, so we're going to the police station there. So, by the time people have come, people, we have to turn off the TV, yes, son? So, one thing with my people, big up my police, them. Yes, son? So, big up my squad of them. Anyway, people, so, may I forgot to do some things right now, people. So, if you don't like the song, people, go support the song. So,
people, in this next clip, you will see or hear Niah's mother exposing CPR for stealing $50,000 US or nearly 10 million Jamaican dollars from Niah's daughter. Take a listen.
The US?
$100 US.
50,000 US?
50K US the man make overall.
How much that in Jamaica? That
About
50
10 million.
times 10 million odd. But me didn't see that for the happy night, you know, 9 million.
Niah
And one
daughter
lady
only get
one lady did not
100.
show that for the happy night. 9 million.
Marsha Mitchell.
Yeah, me did see.
Marsha Mitchell.
See that? This is the conversation between CPR and Regina, Niah baby mother. The man
So all I
not give the people them no money.
money. She in dupes, you know. All of them tears say, ooh, no,
Whole kid.
hey, Father Saki, you need to send this man to go to jail to Father Saki. Your son should have buried in a fine style. All in casket for have wheels on it. So when the man come out, it transform out. Instead of man lift it up, put it on the little running carry there, it come out, wheels fall out from that.
We're not about cool
Hey,
kid.
Father
The man
Saki, if your
can't
son no
sit
buried in a fine style, you know, man. If you get a good beat, you know, because this man come out and this man make a
I
million.
know him forget it, and the mother forget it. I know him forget it, the mother.
The mother collect 1.5 million already, you know.
And she said she not get none.
The mother collect 1.5 out it already. So why she not come out and tell the people them say she collect the 1.5 out it already?
Because she said she not get
The
none.
mother only care about money as well. Let me tell you this one understand. Hold on the chat. You see the mother, this one I'm telling you, I care rate Niah mother. She only care about money. She can't run CPR, not a CPR, nah, give her granddaughter no money and I tell the man, so f*** do. Them are use Niah debt, she and CPR are use Niah debt as a pawn to scam the app and make as much money them can make off a Niah dead body. You hear me I say? Niah daughter, which are the future, the only bloodline from Niah, the only seed from Niah. Yeah? She should have the little girl up here say she can't go to school because the baby mother not have as much money to send the baby go to school, bro. And CPR collect how much millions of dollars with using the father name, bro. And sit down on the app every day I beg. Every day I'm still up on the app I beg and I make how much money. And out of how much thousands of dollars, the man only give him the little girl $120 US. Out of over 50 something thousand K US. No, bro. Nobody enough is a blood clot wicked, bro. Nobody enough is so wicked. The little girl have here call on the man phone. I ring down and a message like say CPR or blood clot baby father. The message them they never prove it, bro. And because through him knows Sir Regina is not somebody who like to talk. Right now she's not a talkative person. And him use her, bro. Take advantage of the Niah daughter and Regina.
If you like this video, please don't forget to consider subscribing, sharing and commenting on this video. It helps us out a bunch and literally costs you nothing. With that being said, I hit that for now. Bird Nation, stay sharp.